Desmond Diabetes Institute, in collaboration with the Ministry of Health, launched an advanced workshop focused on diabetic retinopathy in a joint effort to enhance healthcare services for diabetes-related complications.
This initiative targets general healthcare practitioners aiming to strengthen their capabilities in early detection, diagnosis and management of the most serious complications of diabetes. Here's more.
Diabetic retinopathy is a common but overlooked condition among people living with diabetes. It develops when prolonged high blood sugar levels damage the blood vessels in the retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye. If not treated in time, the condition can lead to partial or complete vision loss. The workshop comes as part of a broader strategy to improve awareness and clinical response to diabetic eye diseases. The workshop is being held in 2 separate sessions, tailored to accommodate different groups of healthcare professionals.
Today we had a workshop regarding diabetic fundal screening. It's a really informative workshop, and honestly the information was all up to date. It was really helpful, especially for us doctors. We need this workshop to be able to screen diabetic patients for common issues with vision. And to be able to detect any changes in the fundus of diabetic patients.
Through ongoing educational initiatives like this, the DDI and the Ministry of Health continue to demonstrate their commitment to improving public health.
Yeah, the early detection of any complication on the eyes from the diabetes in patients, it's very important to prevent vision loss. So the aim of the workshop is to, we are doctors working in the diabetes and chronic disease clinics in all over Kuwait to be aware and to get enough experience to detect these early signs or early complications and to treat it at the proper time to prevent any complications or vision loss.
This workshop is expected to pave the way for more specialized training programs and collaborative efforts to address chronic diseases and their complications more effectively.
From Desmond Diabetes Institute, this is Abdullah Al-Ajmi reporting for the English News Department.